beauties, welcome back to WhatKarenLoves. I know, right? We're finally back. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a great Friday. So today I'm going to be doing a fall outfit ideals featuring, of course, H&M. I wanted to do something different today that I haven't done in a little bit, and I always like finding outfit ideals either in person or online, whether it may be, you guys know that. So I figured why not do that today for a video, and it was really fun to find some fall outfit ideals that I thought that was cute and great for fall, or any season after that as well. So I just really think that it was fun, and I hope you guys like these outfit ideals that I'm about to show you. It should pop up when I'm talking about them, but let's continue. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the I for the main channel up there, and check out all the stuff down below in the below as always, because there should be a new blog up as this video goes up as well. So go check out that down below, and let's get started. Here are 5 outfit ideals for fall, and I think I did a pretty good job coming up with some cute ideals that I'm hoping that everyone else enjoys as well. So let's get into it. Comment number 1, we got this guy right here, which is, I love this sweater. I couldn't choose the color I really wanted, and I really like this brown color because, like, you know, like, it reminds me like fall, and like it's dark, and plus, you know, might be getting chilly soon, wherever you may be. And plus, you know, the nights where it does get cold, and plus it can be good for winter as well. So, you know, who doesn't want a sweater, right? So I really like the sweater, and I love the pants. I've been really like into like the pants to have like the wraparound on it. It's really cute, and I thought these went really great together. I really love this outfit. It's really cute and stylish, and I just really like it. So I hope you guys like it as well. I mean, I dig sweaters. So and sweaters definitely remind me of fall and winter, and so can't go wrong there, right? All right, on to outfit number 2. We got this right here, which I really like. In the overalls, I love the color of the overalls. I mean, I like the pockets on the front. I thought that was really cute. I liked how the style of that overalls is as well. And I really thought that it would go good with some cute boots. You guys know, like ankle boots. I like boots in general. And I really think that these black boots would pair together greatly with these overalls. And who can go wrong with an easy outfit like a jumpsuit, overalls in general, a romper even, you know. I love those type of outfits that you just pop on and you're done, you know. So I really like that add-on concept of it, and I really think it's a really great outfit for fall, and something cute and something stylish, something easy to put on, something that's not overwhelming but nice, you know what I mean? So I really like that ideal of the outfit. I think that's really cute, and I think that it has really great style as well. I think they go together, you know. So it's just one of those days today. But all right, outfit number 3 right here. I love this striped shirt. I just thought it was simple. And who doesn't like a simple shirt and some jeans? And it could pair with some, you know, some sneakers or some booties. And I just really love these pants. I really like the look of them. I know some people don't like, you know, hose in their jeans or rips in their jeans or whatever it may be. But I kind of do sometimes, depending on the size of the hose and where they're at, because sometimes they get ripped when you put them on. I hate when it happens. But these, I think I could work with. You know, there's not a bunch of rips in the jeans. It's just weirdness, you know. So I really like that concept, and I like the way the jeans look. I thought those were really nice looking, and I thought these two would go together. I mean, striped shirt and some jeans. Like I said, it could be paired with some, you know, boots or some sneakers, you know. a cute look for fall. Just simple, easy, and stylish. That's my words of the day today. Okay, outfit number 4, we got this one right here, which I really like this one as well because, you know, we got this dress which is really cute, and I like the green of it, the color as well. I like the buttons and I like the wrap around like look of the dress, and I thought that was really cute, and I paired it with some boots, as you guys see, some high boots, and I thought that would really piece together because, you know, the dress, it might be a little short and you can pair it, you know, put it up there and then get some cute socks or whatever to pair with the boots, and I think it would really piece together like that, and I think it would go together great. I just think the outfit is really good for fall. I mean, we got some green, we got a cute dress to go out and about, and, you know, like I said, I like something that is cute, stylish, unique, or something different that, you know, we might not wear that much, which usually I don't usually wear dresses that much, but usually, you know, I like the wraparound like dresses like this one. I really like the look of a shirt, but it's a dress, you know. I like that. It's really like unique and cool, you know. I love that simple, like, wow, that's really like adorable, cute, stylish, has like, you know, has pockets. I mean, who can go wrong with some pockets on the front? And has little buttons. It's really cute. I really like the way it looks, and I think it pairs together greatly with the boots that you see, of course. I mean, I like it. It's kind of one of my favorites, honestly. Alright, number 5, which is this guy right here. We got a cute gray sweater and, of course, some jeans. I really, really love the sweater. I mean, I like sweaters in general, but this one looks really soft, and I like the way it looks. I think it would pair great with these jeans, and the jeans have a really great, like, texture and color appearance to them, I guess I would say, and I think it would go together with it nicely with these, you know. So I mean, look at the sweater. It's nice and it's cozy looking, great for fall, great for winter. And these jeans, I mean, they look so good. I'm actually really liking the jeans as well. I just like the way they look. They look so nice looking, I guess. It's hard for me to find jeans that I really like sometimes, because like jeans, you know, it's hard to find some really good looking jeans. But I really like the way they look. I mean, I think they would pair great together with the sweater and also that striped shirt as well. I just really like the way this outfit looks. It's one of my favorites as well. I liked all of the outfits though, so I don't know which one's my like top favorite, but definitely 5 and 4 and 3 as well. I like all of them really. They really do pair. They really did go good together, you know, like all the outfits. So hope you guys enjoyed this fall outfit ideals. I hope I did a good job today. Just one of those days today, but I really hope you guys did enjoy the outfit ideals. I can't talk today, as you guys see, but I really had fun coming up with some outfit ideas. You guys know I love styling outfits, coming up with some great outfit ideals in general, like you guys see on IGTV series that I've done, which is the latest post featuring that behind the scenes of the IGTV series I did for Patreon. I finally posted that outfit of the final of that, and I think it was I don't even know how long it's been, but go check it out. It'll be in the description below, so you can go check out that. I really had fun doing that. But anyways, that's all I have, guys, today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go check out the blog down below as well. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You can subscribe here. Well, actually over here. Check out the latest video right here, and of course, check out the eye as well for the main channel. And I don't know what is with me today, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the outfit ideals because I had fun doing it. It's really fun. So I'll see you guys soon on the next one. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.